Hello, this is Professor Baswite. This is an online orientation for Ticket 60670 for Math 10 Online in the summer of 2016. Let's get started. I'm going to go fairly fast. You probably don't have to do a whole lot, in terms of learning. You probably took another online class before. Make sure that you understand where everything is, and we go from there. Your lifeline is ivc.edu. That's where you're going to go, and I'm going to take you through it. And then my faculty page address, it's right here, and I'll show you how to get there. And then the web address, you have to use Blackboard. This is the address for that. And these are the orientation 1, 2, 3s. You need to go in from Blackboard. Watch this announcement. Inside Blackboard, you are going to submit contract entry survey and orientation form. Then you are going to click on My Math Lab and buy access to Pearson with a permanent access, not temporary access. You finish all these requirements. You don't have to come in on June 17. Make sure you also email me and then say, okay, I'm in, I'm all good to go. All right? Now, I will go in and show these live for you, how this works. So let's get started. So you're at home, you're accessing Explorer, ivc.edu. This is where you're going to email me. Email right here. This is where you're going to get in from Blackboard. And then that's it. And to get to my web page, you can actually try academics. You can try math, mathematics again, faculty, and here's my name. Ta-da, you're there. You can look at my math videos here, statistics, schedule is here. You can look at it. Oh, here's my schedule. These are the dates for summer 2016, when the orientation, midterm, and final, location, time. You're not petitioning already, online course information, all that stuff is here. Now let's go to Blackboard. When you pay IVC, you're going to have access to Blackboard. Now, make sure you know how to get there if you have your username and password. And you're going to go and, access your class. So, let's go and get in. You click on it. Your announcements, you have to read all these announcements here. Make sure the orientation video, you're watching this, I will send this via email to you anyway. How to questions, how do I do this, how do I do that? They are right here on the left. Syllabus, you print it out from here. This is where you take, remember I told you orientation, contract, and survey, this is where you're going to do it. And this is where my videos are. Again, the address is there. You can email from here as well. It's okay to do that. Or from my site, email. And if you want to see some PowerPoints, they're right here. So how do I get into the class? You're going to click on what it says, My Math Lab, My Stat Lab. You click on it. And either click on Home or Browser Check. Doesn't matter. You better check your browser and make sure everything is there. And install whatever that tells you to install. And then you go in. This is where things are going to happen. Your book, you don't have to buy a paper book. Your ebook is right here. You are going to do your homework from here, homework. You're going to take your quizzes here. Quizzes are only one take. They have deadlines. They expire at midnight, 5 minutes to midnight. One take, no time limit. Here are where you can watch my videos again. You can check your grade here. And you need to do some discussion board assignments, and that all is laid out in the syllabus. If I tell you, go and look at certain data sets are here. Multimedia library is a place where you can have all the videos and PowerPoints and all that stuff in there. So that's pretty much it. One good thing about this program, when you click on the homework, let's say homework 1, and then you go 1, 2, 3, but you should watch the video first and read the book first, and then you come here and you click on the question, and it will open up, and then it's gonna be either fill in or multiple choice. Depends on the type of question that you're doing. This one's multiple choice. I do A, and then check answer. Oh, that's not good. Let's say I don't know what I'm doing. You can click on the textbook and find out. Or you can say, technical help is StatCrunch, or just worst comes to worst, you ask my instructor. Do not retype the questions. You can click in here, ask my instructor. So an email comes to me and I go, oh, she's stuck in right there. And then I kind of try to help you out. All right? So that's that. So let's go back. And the quizzes are also here. If you look in here. Now, the quizzes are here. What are these things? Email 1, email 2. You're supposed to email me weekly via email. Then you come here and you click on email and you go, okay, well, I'm ready to start. And it says something like, is it true you emailed this week? You go, yeah. And you get credit for it. Submit test. If you forget to do this, you're not going to get credit for that email. So make sure you do that. All right? So let's go back to the presentation so we can actually go back and, continue where we left off. All right. This tells you where the contract is, and contract, survey, and all that stuff is. Okay. Now, when you click on My Math Lab, it's going to take you inside Pearson. I did that for you to show you. And you click in here, remember, we did that already. Now, but I went in just directly. When you you access this thing first time, it's going to take you here. It says, well, do you want to buy it? Because you have to pay for it. You either buy it online. If you are buying it online, you click here. If you are going to the bookstore and buy a piece of paper that says, here's the access code, you do that. You get it from here. Now, you pay either way after you click on that. Here's the paying page. Make sure that you use as username your first initial last name, just like your email address. And then here, there's like access without payment for 14 days. I recommend you don't do that because there are some glitches to transfer from temporary to permanent. So the class is so short, I recommend that you just buy the permanent code and just get on with the class. All right. Now, when you buy the credit card thing, it's going to ask you your username and password. Use the first part of your IBC email for username and password. Keep it safe. If it asks you, it says, what's your class ID? You're not doing it right way, okay? Here are the, help me places. Blackboard support, phone number. Pearson support, here's the online support chat line. This is the Pearson phone number, and these are the topics that you may just click in there and find out if, that's what you want. Now, remember I told you I have videos to teach you how to use your graphing calculator. So this is what I recommend. You read your book, you watch those graphing calculator videos, then you do your homework. Don't reverse that order. Okay, now, I will send you this video prior to June 17. And I want you to finish contract, survey, and the orientation form in Blackboard, and then send me an email and say, I got in. All right, that's great. And then take the email 1 and send me that report with an email. I'm in and I'm all good to go. If you cannot do that, come on June 17 at 6 o'clock to B304. I'll get you oriented. Late ads also will have to go through this. Okay? So if you do that, you then have until June, okay, let me go back, until June 20th to finish everything off. Okay, so you buy yourself some time by coming in. So by all means, come and meet me. All right, when is the next time you come in? It's going to be July 15th, and here's the location, here's the time. You'll come in with a picture ID. Make sure that you have a picture ID with you, otherwise I will not be able to allow you to take it. And then for the final, that's also mandatory. That's in the evening, so I will be here. So it's going to be August 12th at 5 to 7 in B304. All right? Now, what do you need to do during the course of this? You're supposed to watch the videos, read your book, do the homework, do the quizzes, and then you have to email me regularly every week and twice a week if you want. Then you have to go to email reports in Pearson. Make sure you click, yeah, true, I emailed my teacher, to get the point. If you don't finish that step, you're not going to be able to get that point. Then you have to do some discussion board assignments. You click on reply, and then you're going to enter your responses. You come in for midterm and the final, and that's it. And you will be able to finish the class successfully. Thank you for watching.